Hi, everybody. Welcome to this quick sneak peek of another lesson. This is Standing Firm. It's a C1 class, and I want to just take you through it really quickly so you can get an idea of what the classes are like. Gorgeous grammar and lovely vocabulary. Look at this: subjugate, exemplifies, plausible, overbearing. So each word has got a definition and an example. Always a wonderful story. This particular one is that time when the Sadducees and the Pharisees are trying to catch Jesus out, and they say, "Should we pay tax?" And he says, "Bring me a coin." Whose image is on the coin? And they say, "Caesar's." And he says, "Well, then render unto Caesar what is Caesar, and unto God what is God." It's one of my favorite stories. So there's always a nice comprehensive reading, some lovely exercises, fill in the gaps, matching, true or false. And then I wanted to stop here and read these questions with you. Critical questions. In your mind, is there ever a reason that substantiates war? Is daily prayer enough to subjugate your fears? How do we sustain staunch faith in those difficult and testing moments? Is there an incarnation of the Holy Spirit in you? And if so, how does the strength of the Holy Spirit fortify your life? Are there some theological subjects that baffle or confuse you, and why? And how do you render your faith as true? So I hope that you enjoyed this little sneak peek at these lessons. They really are wonderful. Join us on Holy Grammar. You'll get a lot out of it, and you can get a lesson in the digital store. Bye for now.